In this video, I'm going to review Rod Machado's 40-hour private pilot e-learning ground school. Are you struggling with the ground school subjects for the private pilot's license exams? Do you find book learning difficult? And do you long for easy-to-follow explanations that combine accuracy with humour? Are you already a PPL holder, but you want to refresh your knowledge of the key subjects quickly and without going through the entire process again? When I learned to fly 30 years ago, all I had was a pile of textbooks and the occasional evening class arranged by the flight school. I had to drive to a classroom where a flight instructor would patiently explain the PPL subject matter to a collection of bewildered students using only a whiteboard and a few slides. Eventually, after many hours of study and practice tests, not to mention travelling back and forth to classes, I passed all the exams. But for people learning today, there are far more efficient ways of learning about all the core subjects required for the PPL. Rod Machado is a certified flight instructor with degrees in psychology and aviation science who has taught hundreds of people how to fly since he began instructing in 1973. He is a prolific author and the publisher of dozens of books, e-books, CDs and articles. He has appeared in TV shows, given seminars, and been a columnist in the aviation press. In short, there is no one more qualified to be your personal ground school instructor. And you can benefit from Rod's experience and teaching in his 40-hour private pilot e-learning ground school. Here are a few titles of some of the lectures included in the 26 course modules. Aerodynamics, the wing is the thing. Engines, knowledge of engines is power. Electrical systems, knowing what's what. Flight instruments, clocks, tops and toys. Federal aviation regulations, how far can we go? Airport operations, no doctor needed. Radio operations, aviation spoken here. Airspace, the wild blue, green and red yonder. Aviation maps, the art of the chart. Radio navigation, the frequency flyer program. Understanding weather, looking for friendly skies. Weather charts and briefings, PIREPs, PROGs and METARs. Flight planning, getting there from here. Airplane performance charts, know before you go. Weight and balance, let's wait and balance. Pilot potpourri, neat aeronautical information. As you can see, Rod is a master at puns, and this play on words makes the subject matter much more memorable. You'll find his humour sprinkled throughout the lessons, and his explanations are therefore engaging and entertaining. Each lesson ends with questions designed to test your knowledge, and with Rod's delivery style, my prediction is you won't find these difficult to get right first time. With Rod's publications, studying the PPL ground school subjects is no longer a hard slog, but something you'll look forward to and enjoy. Once you've completed this course, you'll be ready for those all-important FAA exams. But don't take my word for it. Check out the testimonials on the product page. They speak volumes about the quality of this PPL training material. Here's an excerpt from just one example of customer feedback. If you've ever wanted to learn to fly but thought there was no way you could learn and understand everything, then this is for you. I thought I was too old to learn to fly, but Rod lays everything out in a logical and humorous manner that not only makes learning easier, but fun. You can follow this course on any platform you prefer, desktop, tablet or mobile. I have mine on my iPad mini and can follow it at home, in the garden or on the train. There's a full set of instructions on how to download and run the course, and the support is quick and thorough. Get your copy now, or just check out the details using the link in the resources section of this lesson. And if you've not made up your mind, then just download Rod's free flight training and ground school syllabi. They are both completely free of charge with no strings or tie-downs attached.